Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Belinda and today we're colouring up this beautiful image by Crest and Caran. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, Crest and Caran has given me this image for an event that we've got going over in my Facebook group. So if it's still December and you're watching this, pop over there and check it out because it's an awesome image and it's only available for December 2018, and then it'll be available to purchase in Christine's Etsy store. So I'll pop the links for that in the description below anyway. I'm using some Faber Castell Polychromos pencils here, also some Albert Dürer watercolor Faber-Castell pencils as well, just for the background area there in the snow. And I'm using Neenah Classic Crest Solar White 80-pound paper. You do need to be really careful if you are using the same paper when it comes to using water. I only use a very small amount because it does peel if you put too much water on it, so just to let you know that as well. So this is a speed colouring. I just wanted to give you guys an example of how I coloured up the beautiful image, and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure that you click the subscribe button and leave me a comment and let me know what you like best about this image, and also click on the like button as well. I also, just before I do run away, wanted to jump in and say that there is a full version of this on my Patreon page. It is just a real-time video of the process, so it's a raw video, but you can see all of the pencils. You also get a pencil conversion chart there, so if you don't have Polychromos, I've converted it for you to Prismacolor, Black Widows and also Pablos as well, so you can check that out on Patreon. I'll pop the links in the description below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of those places, and also you can jump over and pop into the Facebook group and check it out there as well. So we've got a huge event going on for the 3K celebration, so 3,000 subscribers, and I thank you so much to everybody who has contributed to that and made this event an awesome event and lots of fun. So thanks again guys, and love you all, and thanks for watching. See you next time.